Welcome to the Hard Breathing channel. Today I will show you how to change the icon size on the ZTE Blade A36. So first open settings, just scroll down from the top right corner and press the little settings button. Next go to home screen section and here click on icon layout. You can choose between 4x6 and 5x6. 5x6 is obviously smaller icons and 4x6 is larger icons. Let's change our icon size. Just like this, we made our icons a little larger. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the Hard Breathing channel for more videos, leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.